Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Decoding your car's engine misfire, causes, signs, and diagnosis. Car engine misfires can be a frustrating problem for any driver. They can cause poor performance, rough idling, and even damage to the vehicle if left unresolved. In this video, we will delve into the causes, symptoms, and diagnosis of car engine misfires. Detecting engine misfires promptly is crucial to prevent further damage and ensure the optimal functioning of your vehicle. By understanding the signs of a misfire and knowing how to diagnose the issue, you can save time and money on repairs in the long run. Stay tuned as we explore the common triggers of car engine misfires, the telltale symptoms to watch out for, and the step-by-step process of diagnosing and resolving this bothersome problem. Let's empower you with the knowledge and skills needed to tackle car engine misfires effectively. Understanding car engine misfires. Engine misfires can be concerning for any car owner, as they can indicate underlying issues that affect the vehicle's performance. An engine misfire occurs when one or more cylinders in the engine fail to ignite the air-fuel mixture at the right time, disrupting the combustion process. This can lead to a range of symptoms that impact the car's drivability and efficiency. Definition of engine misfire. An engine misfire is a common issue in internal combustion engines where the fuel fails to burn properly in the combustion chamber. This can result from various factors, including problems with the ignition system, fuel system, or engine mechanical issues. When an engine misfires, it can cause rough idling, loss of power, decrease in fuel efficiency, and noticeable vibrations while driving. Addressing engine misfires promptly is crucial to prevent further damage to the vehicle's components. Causes of car engine misfires. Spark plug issues. Worn out or fouled spark plugs are a frequent cause of engine misfires. Spark plugs play a vital role in igniting the air-fuel mixture in the cylinders. When spark plugs are dirty or damaged, they can fail to produce a strong spark, leading to misfires and performance issues. Fuel system problems. Issues within the fuel system, such as clogged fuel injectors, a faulty fuel pump, or inadequate fuel pressure, can result in engine misfires. Insufficient fuel delivery to the cylinders can disrupt the combustion process and cause misfiring. Vacuum leaks. Vacuum leaks in the intake manifold or vacuum hoses can create a lean air-fuel mixture, causing misfires. The imbalance in air and fuel ratios can lead to incomplete combustion in the cylinders, resulting in engine misfires and rough running conditions. Ignition system faults. Faulty ignition coils, faulty ignition wires, or a malfunctioning distributor can all contribute to engine misfires. The ignition system is responsible for delivering the spark needed to ignite the air-fuel mixture. Any issues within this system can lead to misfires and performance problems. By understanding the common causes of car engine misfires such as spark plug issues, fuel system problems, vacuum leaks, and ignition system faults, car owners can diagnose and address these issues promptly to ensure optimal engine performance and reliability. Symptoms of engine misfires. Engine misfires can manifest through various symptoms, alerting drivers to potential issues that need attention. Recognizing these signs early can help prevent further damage and costly repairs. Visible signs. Rough idling. One of the most common symptoms of an engine misfire is a rough or inconsistent idle. If your vehicle's engine is not running smoothly when at a standstill, it could indicate a misfire in one or more cylinders. Loss of power. An engine misfire can lead to a noticeable loss of power during acceleration. If you experience a lack of power when trying to speed up, it might be a sign of a misfiring engine. Stalling. Engine misfires can sometimes cause the vehicle to stall unexpectedly. If your engine cuts out while driving or idling, it could be due to misfiring cylinders. Increased fuel consumption. A sudden increase in fuel consumption without any apparent reason could indicate an engine misfire. Misfires can disrupt the air-fuel ratio in the engine, leading to inefficient combustion and higher fuel consumption. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, play a crucial role in pinpointing engine misfire issues. These codes are generated by the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system and can provide valuable insights into the specific problem areas. By using an OBD2 scanner, drivers can retrieve DTCs stored in the vehicle's computer system. These codes can reveal which cylinders are misfiring, aiding in the diagnostic process and enabling targeted repairs to address the underlying issues effectively. Remember, addressing engine misfire symptoms promptly can not only improve your vehicle's performance but also prevent more severe damage in the long run. If you notice any of these signs, it's advisable to have your vehicle inspected by a qualified mechanic to diagnose and fix the issue before it escalates. Diagnosing car engine misfires. Diagnosing car engine misfires requires a systematic approach to identify the underlying issues causing the problem. By following a structured diagnostic process and conducting common tests, pinpointing the cause of engine misfires becomes more manageable. Diagnostic process. The first step in diagnosing engine misfires involves visual inspections to check for obvious signs of damage or wear. Inspecting the spark plugs is crucial, as worn out or faulty spark plugs can lead to misfires. Analyzing fuel injectors for clogs or malfunctions is also essential, as they play a vital role in the combustion process. Utilizing diagnostic tools such as OBD2 scanners can provide valuable insights into the engine's performance and help identify specific error codes related to misfires. Common diagnostic tests. Common tests used to pinpoint the cause of engine misfires include compression tests to assess the engine's internal pressure and detect any irregularities that may lead to misfires. Ignition system checks help evaluate the ignition coils, spark plug wires, and the ignition module for any malfunctions affecting spark delivery. Fuel pressure tests determine if the fuel system is supplying the engine with the correct amount of fuel at the required pressure levels, crucial for proper combustion. Conducting these tests systematically can help diagnose and address engine misfires effectively. Preventive measures and maintenance. Taking proactive steps to maintain your car's engine can help prevent misfires and ensure smooth performance. By following these maintenance tips and seeking professional help when needed, you can keep your vehicle running reliably. Maintenance tips. Regular spark plug replacements. One of the primary causes of engine misfires is worn-out spark plugs. To prevent this issue, make sure to replace your spark plugs at the manufacturer's recommended intervals. Fresh spark plugs ensure proper ignition and combustion, reducing the risk of misfires. Fuel system cleanings. Over time, dirt and debris can accumulate in your car's fuel system, leading to clogs that disrupt fuel flow and combustion. Regular fuel system cleanings can help prevent these blockages, promoting optimal engine performance and reducing the chances of misfires. Scheduled tune-ups. Routine tune-ups are essential for maintaining your engine's health. During a tune-up, a mechanic can inspect various components, such as the ignition system, fuel injectors, and sensors, to identify potential issues before they escalate into misfires. Regular tune-ups can catch problems early and keep your engine running smoothly. Professional help. While routine maintenance can significantly reduce the risk of engine misfires, some issues may require the expertise of a professional mechanic. If you experience persistent misfire symptoms despite following maintenance guidelines, seeking professional assistance is crucial. Professional mechanics have the tools and knowledge to conduct thorough diagnostic tests and pinpoint the root cause of persistent misfires. Whether it's a faulty ignition coil, a malfunctioning sensor, or a more complex issue within the engine's internal components, a skilled mechanic can diagnose the problem accurately and recommend the necessary repairs. By combining regular maintenance efforts with timely professional intervention when needed, you can minimize the likelihood of engine misfires and enjoy a trouble-free driving experience. Remember, a well-maintained engine is a reliable engine. Detecting and diagnosing car engine misfires is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance. By understanding the causes, symptoms, and diagnosis methods discussed in this video, you can proactively address issues before they escalate. Prompt detection not only ensures a smooth driving experience but also prevents potential damage to other engine components. Remember, regular maintenance and early intervention are key to keeping your vehicle running efficiently. By staying vigilant and addressing any signs of engine misfires promptly, you can avoid costly repairs and enjoy a worry-free driving experience. Take charge of your vehicle's health by prioritizing proactive maintenance measures, and you'll be rewarded with reliable performance on the road. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.